In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your team on Striketip, add your team members, and then how to set up some bits and pieces like your branding, the tip options that your customers will see, etc. So to set up an account and create your team, use the QR scanner on your phone to scan one of the Striketip QR codes. Open the link and click Sign Up Now. You can then either sign up with your Google account or your email. If you select email, enter your email address, click Next, enter your name, create a password for your account, and click Save. A link will be emailed to you which you need to click on to verify your email address. Next, you can upload a picture of yourself, then drag the circle to crop the image exactly the way you want it. Click Confirm, and click Use Image. Fill in the information below, accept the terms, click Save, and now you have an account on Striketip. To set up your team, click Create Team. Type in the name of the team, select the currency you use, and click Create Your Team. To invite your team members to join, click Invite Team Members. Copy the link, and then send it to your team members, for example through a group WhatsApp. All of your team members can use the exact same link to create their own accounts on Striketip and then to join your team. And once they do that, you will see them appear here. To set up your team's permissions, which means what they can or can't see or do when they're logged into their Striketip account, click Settings. Here you will see the default permissions for your team members. If you want team members to be managers by default, click the Team Manager checkbox. To update any of the other permissions, simply mark or unmark the relevant checkbox. For example, if you don't want your team members to be able to invite other members, then unmark Can Invite Members. If you make any changes, make sure you click Save Changes. Any changes you make on this particular screen will only apply to members you add after the changes have been saved, not to existing members. Now, if you want to change an existing member's permissions, go to the main screen, click on the member's name, and here you can update their permissions and click Save. These icons show you each member's permissions, so if they're red, that means the team member doesn't have that particular permission. To set up your branding, including your business logo and the color scheme you want to be displayed on the tipping screen, go to Settings and click Branding. You can upload an image or logo for your business by clicking here and selecting that image from your device. Drag here to crop the image, click Confirm, and click Use Image. Down here you can select your colors or enter your hex number. To set up or update the name of your business that will be displayed on the tipping screen, click Name, and you will see the team name field here. You can also set up a thank you message that will be displayed to your customer after they successfully give a tip. Click Save Changes, and over here we can see how that will actually appear to the customer. Under Permissions, you can set up whether you want your customers to be able to tip specific members of your team or your team in general, in which case you should click Pooled. And you'll see that if both pooled and members are enabled, the customer can then decide whether to tip the general team or specific members. To set up the tip options that customers see, in the settings section, click Tip, and here under Values, you will see what customers can choose to tip. You can add more values, and you can make a particular value the default, meaning that it will be the pre-selected value if the customer decides to give a tip. Alternatively, you can allow your customers to tip as a percentage of the service cost. Again, you can add different percentage amounts and make one the default. Tip options can be set up either as values or percentages, but not as both. So, if you add percentages, the system will then deactivate your values. Under Payment Details, if Ask the Customer to Accept Fees by Default is marked, then the transaction fee will be automatically included as part of the tip. You can also allow customers to toggle on or off whether they want to include the transaction fee or not. Click Add Name to display a field on the tipping screen for the customer to enter their name, and you can make this optional or mandatory. Click Add Reference to display a field for leaving a message, a review, or the customer's mobile number. And again, you can make it optional or mandatory. And as always, remember to click Save Changes. Tip Success enables you to set up links on the tip screen that will link to review pages, affiliated businesses, or booking apps. For reviews, You can provide links to your own custom review page, your Google reviews page, and/or your Trustpilot. So just click Activate, copy the actual link in here, type a prompt for the customer in the call to action, type the label of the actual button the customer will click on, and then click Save Changes. For affiliates, you can provide your Salon Interactive shop link if you have one, or your own shop link. And the other steps are pretty much the exact same as we saw with reviews. Lastly, you can set up a link to an appointment booking app or page so customers can easily book their next appointment.